How to delete trip history in Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete trip history in Uber app. Now, the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quickly with the video. Simply open up your Uber app. You can always get the Uber app from Play Store or App Store, as you know. Simply open up Uber app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here, as you open up your Uber app, you can see you'll get an interface like this. Now at the very bottom, you can see 4 different options: home option, services, activity, and account option. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on account, you'll be headed into your profile. Here you can see various options there on the screen. You can see help, wallet, trips, settings, messages, and various other options here. What you want to do is you want to select or tap on the trips option there. You can see simply tap on trips option and all your trip history will be shown up here. Now you can see choose your trip option there at the very top, and below you'll find every trip that you have taken, or you'll find your trips history in here that you have done on Uber. Now unfortunately I don't have any one here. You can see I don't have any trip here. What you want to do is once you open up and once you have the trip history, you can simply select and open up. Simply tap on the history that you want to delete. Simply open up and there you'll find the delete option. You can simply delete it. If you don't find the delete option, it might be that Uber has removed the option to do so. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.